History is usually written by the survivors, but what if the only witnesses left were made of stone? Pause. This is North Dakota. Today it is a quiet, barren badland, but beneath this soil lies a crime scene frozen in time. We found a fish here, but this is no ordinary fossil. Look closer. Trapped inside its gills are tiny shards of glass. This glass is not from this Earth. It was forged in space. This fish died on the exact day the dinosaurs died. It is the first direct witness to the apocalypse, 66 million years ago. This is Hell Creek, a world where humans, even our distant ape ancestors, are still millions of years away. It is spring. The forest is welcoming new life. Baby dinosaurs are hatching, taking their first breaths. Old textbooks claimed the dinosaurs were already dying out, that they were tired, weak, and in decline, but groundbreaking research from 2025 has changed everything. Here in the American West, they were at the peak of their power. They were thriving. But if you listen to the wind, there is a strange tension in the air. The T-Rex, the most terrifying predator to ever walk the earth. Its jaws possess the power to crush a car like a soda can. It is the undisputed king of this world. For 2 million years, it has never looked into the eyes of a creature that could challenge it. But the king doesn't know that today is his last day. For weeks, it appeared as a beautiful new star in the night sky. But it wasn't a star. It was a bullet, an asteroid, 10 kilometers wide. A mountain larger than Everest, floating in the dark. Its speed? 40,000 miles per hour, 20 times faster than a rifle round. There are billions of paths in the universe, but tragically, the path of this rock and our planet were about to cross. Contact the moment it struck. The location was Mexico, but the catastrophe belonged to the world. The energy released? 100 million nuclear bombs detonating at once. The asteroid itself vaporized instantly, but in doing so, it tore a hole in the Earth. 2,000 miles away, the dinosaurs haven't heard the explosion yet. Sound takes time to travel, but the ground moves faster than sound. A magnitude 10 earthquake triggered in Mexico ripples through the continent. It shakes the rivers in North Dakota so violently that the water rises up like water in a sloshing bathtub. Thousands of fish are thrown onto the land, gasping for air. But the water wasn't the real danger. The real danger was about to fall from the sky. The mountain that was blasted into space is falling back down, but not as rock, as glass bullets. Atmospheric friction has turned them into glowing embers. This wasn't rain. It was an orbital bombardment. At Tanis, the fish took their last breath, and their gills filled with glass. They were buried alive in the mud, waiting 66 million years for us to find them. The T-Rex didn't go down fighting. He didn't roar in defiance. He simply went silent. The shockwave leveled the forests, and behind it came the fire. The atmosphere turned into an oven. Anything caught in the open didn't stand a chance. In a matter of hours, a dynasty that lasted 160 million years was reduced to ash. After the noise came the silence. Soot and smoke choked out the sun. A long, dark night fell over the earth that would last for years. They call it an impact winter. Without sunlight, the plants died. Without plants, the herbivores starved. And when the herbivores were gone, the great predators died on the bones of their prey. 75% of all life on Earth was extinguished. The dinosaurs' greatest strength, their massive size, became their fatal weakness. They needed too much food. But the weak, the small, the ones who lived in the shadows, they could hide underground. They could eat anything, roots, insects, decay. This little creature is our ancestor. If it hadn't survived that dark winter, we wouldn't be here today. The end of the dinosaurs was the beginning of us. They aren't entirely gone. Every time you see a bird outside your window, remember, you are looking at a dinosaur. One rock changed the world. It cleared the path for mammals. It shaped the modern world. That was the story of the last day.